We drive 10,000 targeted profile visits every single month. 50 to 100 followers a day, 100 to 500 new likes a day. Results are wild.
Launch the application InstaGrowthEngine app. Click on menu slider. Now click on Accounts. Click Add Account. Now connect your Instagram account. Enter Instagram username and password. Now scroll below. Now click Add Account. Click on Reaction Pro. Now click on your Instagram username. Now, copy targets according to your Instagram page's niche. Now paste it here. Click Insert. Now review the targets. Select the story, viewing automation, tick all the options you see. Select mass action as like, post, follow, unfollow, comments. Add the direct DM to your targeted audience, Instagram users. Now select Active to activate the Instagram Masslooking automation. Click Save, and this automation will do 24 hours every day because it's cloud-based automation. You don't need to open this software all time once all settings configured. By clicking on Activity Log, it summarizes all activities and statistics for you and address them to the time they were performed.